हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. इफ A is a square matrix of order n cross n and K is a scalar, then adjoint of Ka is equal to K into adjoint A, K to the power n minus 1 into adjoint A, K to the power n into adjoint A, K to the power n plus 1 into adjoint A. Key concept: adjoint A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix of A, and if A equal to ABCD, then Ka equal to Ka, Kb, Kc, Kd. Let's see the solution. Let A equal to A, B, C, D. Therefore, Ka equal to Ka, Kb, Kc, Kd. Now, cofactor matrix of A equal to D minus C minus B, A. Therefore, adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix A, that is D minus C minus B, A. Cofactor matrix of Ka equal to Kd minus Kc minus Kb, Ka. Therefore, adjoint of Ka equal to Kd minus Kc minus Kb, Ka. यहाँ से K कॉमन किया जा सकता है. एडजॉइंट of Ka equal to K into D minus B minus C A and D minus B minus C A is equal to adjoint of A. इसे इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मान लेते हैं. अब देख लीजिए फ्रॉम फर्स्ट D minus B minus C A एडजॉइंट A का वैल्यू है, तो हम यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हैं? एडजॉइंट ऑफ Ka equal to K into adjoint A. Hence option A is correct. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.